So let's just see how we can create and drop collections in MongoDB. So currently we are on the VS Code editor. So first of all, let's just open the MongoDB shell, and then here we can run our commands. So first of all, we can see all the databases. Now let's just create one database student. So we're gonna write use student, and it will just create one student and switch to the database. So currently we are on the student database, but it is not visible because there is no data inside that database. So let's just create some collections inside that database student. So for this we have to write db.createCollections, and then as a parameter we have to pass the name of the collection. So we can call it grades. So it says OK1. That means we have successfully created the collection grades inside that student database. So we can see that with the command show collections, and here it says we have one collection grades. And also we can look at from here also, we can just refresh this, and inside the student we have this grades collection. This way we can create another collection like teachers. The teachers collection is created. So we have two collections inside the student database. So we can write show collections, and it shows two collections inside the student database. So this is the way we can create multiple collections inside one database. Now let's see how we can drop collections. So make sure to always check the current working database before dropping any collection. So now we have to write db dot and then the collection. So we wanted to drop the grades collection, so we have to write db.grades.drop, and it says true. That means we have successfully deleted this grades collection. So now if we run show collections, so there is only one collection left, and if we refresh here, so you can see only one teacher collections left. So we can drop that collection also. We have to write db.teachers.drop. So we have to call the drop method, and it will drop that teacher collection also. So this is the way we can create collection in MongoDB, and also we can call the drop method to drop any particular collection. So that's it for the video. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.